the top of 5-2 where it shows you how to draw an arc where you have 3 points guaranteed to go through that arc that you draw. This is actually a process of just creating 2 lines and then bisecting both of those lines, and where the bisecting lines intersect in the middle is the origin of the arc that will then hit all 3 of those points. So the first thing you need to do is draw a line from each of the points. Maybe we'll create like a little acute angle here. Line up this straight edge, draw that line there, and I'll move my straight edge over here and draw that line right there. Okay. Then what you need to do is take your compass and, like we bisect any other line, adjust it for about 3/5 of the total length of that line. Okay, so something like that. Okay, I'm going to place the point at one end exactly and draw an arc. Now I am taking up this slack in my compass, so I'm making sure that the radius stays the same. Then I'll flip it over to the other side, put the origin or pointing end at that end of the line, and do the same, draw an arc. And now I have 2 exact reference points. Let me do the same for the other line while I'm at it, so it's line EF. So I'll just place the pointing end there, and flip that around, and place the pointing end there, and do that. And there you go, there's my second set of reference points. So then I just take my straight edge, and I draw a straight line through each set of reference points. Okay, now these are straight lines that I'm doing, right? Not the arcs, just to keep track of where we're at. There's that. Yeah, that looks pretty lined up. Okay, and so I did all that work just for this specific point right here. Okay, that's what we want. That is the point that I place my compass. All right, the origin, the pointy end of my compass, right there. I adjust it out to one of the points. Okay, see I'm crossing point E right there. And it turns out that if I carefully make an arc, I will cross through every single point of the 3. Okay, so this method basically will always work. You're always guaranteed to hit all 3 points if you follow this process. Now if you have 4 points, you can't guarantee that, because mathematically you can't guarantee you're going to be able to create an arc that will hit 4 points, whereas you always can with 3. So.